So hello guys, welcome to Java IJSM. In this video, we are going to write hello world program in Java. So how we can write a hello world program in Java? Okay. So you already know all those keywords and I hope you remember it. Okay. In the previous lecture, we already covered like what are the keywords are the availables. So based on those keywords we are going to write a hello world programs in Java. Okay, so if you remember it, I'm going to write a code, so please be careful and focus on it. Okay, so if you remember it, I'm going to write one class. So if someone tell you, hey, can you write one class in Java? So simply you can do class and you can ask him like, do you want to give any class name? So if he tell you like, yes, please write a class name as a ABCD. So ABCD. If he tell you, so you can write ABCD. Okay, but in the rare case, yeah, if in the some scenario, if you are facing some issue like if he not tell you like why you need to write, yeah, something, anything. Okay, so if he not give any name, so you can just take demo, yeah, something, my class, yeah, my first class, yeah, hello class. So my first class. Okay, so you can ask him like, can you please give me some name? So he will give some name, otherwise you can write your own class name. So here you can write any word which is not a keyword, which is not a keyword. So here you already specify the keyword, which is class, and simply you can open curly brackets and close curly braces. That's it. If someone tell you please write one class, you can write this. This is the one class in Java, simply. Okay, so while creating a class, what are the keywords we are using? Only class keyword. So what is the class? Class is a keyword. Okay, and this is the name which I given to identify, okay, this is the class name, my first class. I hope you understood. Okay, and open curly brackets and closing curly brackets. This is the bracket where or inside this you are going to write a code. If you write any code outside of this bracket, then it is considered as a wrong. This is the wrong way to write a code. So every time you have to write a code inside this curly bracket only. Okay, so this is the one things. Second things is, once you create a class, if someone tell you, can you create one method inside this class? If someone tell you, can you create a method inside this class? So how you can create a method? So while creating a methods in the class, you can write three things which we will cover later, but in these programs we are going to write hello world programs only. So what you have to do is, once you created the class here, class my first class, curly braces open and curly braces close, inside this only you have to write the methods. Okay, don't write the method outside of the class. Okay, this is the wrong. So one things you have to know about in the Java, one methods are the very important methods, and in the every programs you have to write those method, which is main method. So what is the structure of main method? I'm going to write here. So a structure of main method is public is a keyword. So I am making those method as a public. Statics, so a static is also keyword. void. Void is also a keyword, and the method name is main. So public statics void main, and the parenthesis. So after the method you have to write one parenthesis, then only we consider that this is a method, and inside is a string args array. So here in the parenthesis it's accept only a string argument array. Okay, curly braces open and curly braces open, close. So if you write the code inside this curly braces only, which is consider this method property, okay, so it will work inside this method only, it will not work here if you write something. So in the if you talk about the Java, so Java having a class, inside the class you can write a particular method, and in this particular method you can write particular operations of the code. So this is the basic code of the Java, everyone have to remember it. Okay, so if you are learning a first time, definitely you have to remember it. Okay, later you can understood one by one each and every word, like what is the meaning of it, why we are writing this code, each and everything. So as of now, just understood, we have created one class, curly braces open, curly braces closes. Then after we have created one main methods, which is already predefined methods are available in Java, which is public statics void main string args array curly braces open and close. Okay, so this is the things you have to remember. So this is the code where we can write everywhere. It's like whenever you write programs, you have to write at least that much of the code, and then after you can write your own logic, your own methods in the here. After that, here you can write your own method and you can call those method inside this. But as of now, just understood like what is this class, what is the methods, and just I am showing the keyword use. Okay, so class is a keyword, public is a keyword, statics is a keyword, void is a keyword, main is a main method name. So this is the method name. Okay, I will write here. Okay, otherwise later in the live class I will tell you each and everything. Okay, so that you can understand more. And then after here you have to write system, capital S, SYSTEM. So system is a class, it's a predefined class. So System.out.println. So out is a object reference, and println, so print is a method, and inside this method you can write in the double quote, which is a string we need to print, hello world, hello world. So once you write this code and if you run this code, it will print hello world on your console. Okay, so just remember it, this is the hello world programs, and in this whole hello words we know about, like this is the class, this is the class name, this is the open curly braces, and this is the closing curly braces. This is the method which is predefined, it's available, and already JVM know about it. So if you not write this method, your program will not execute, your output will not print. If you give any other name here, like instead of main you can write main my method, anything if you write, it will not accept, it will not call directly. So this is the prerequisite, and you have to write the main method here, then only it will call automatically by the JVM and your program will be executed. So just aware about it, this is the keywords, this is the method name, this is the parameters of this method. So whenever you create any methods, you have to write the parenthesis. Inside the parenthesis you can write the parameters, and then after open curly bracket and closing curly brackets. Okay, but how we can execute this code, how we can run and how we can compile this code, we can talk about those things. So for that we need to install one software which is JDK. But as of now, just for your understanding purpose, I am writing here one comment. This is a keyword. Okay, so for your understanding purpose I am writing here, so please you can also write it and make it notes. So this is the comment line, so I am writing this is the keyword. So this is the keyword, class is a keyword. If you go to the here, so here you can see this is a method, no, class name. Okay, what is this? So this is a keyword. This is a keyword. Up to that, this is the method name. And inside this parenthesis you can see arguments. Okay, and this is the system class. This is the system class. Yeah, predefined class you can say. Predefined means already available, or user defined means we are created. So this class you can say this class is a what? User defined class. User defined class. Or this class is a system is a predefined class. Predefined class. So system is a predefined class, out is a object reference variables. I will write here object reference variables, or just object reference, and this is the value which we are passing as a argument. So method arguments. Okay, and this is the curly braces open, this is the close. So just you have to aware about it. Okay, one more things I will cover here. So this is the programs we have to know about it, and later we can discuss each and everything, and we can understand like how you can install the keyword. Okay, one more thing. So whenever you write any class name which is user defined class name, and this is the predefined class name, why I am saying this class you are created right now with the class keyword, with the help of the class keyword, but the system class is already created and it's already available in the JDK software, Java software. So we can say this is the predefined. Predefined means already available in the software, and user defined, it means I am a user, so I have defined those class, so I can say user defined class. Okay, or developer defined class you can say. Better to say the user defined class, it's a good. Okay, so this is the things we need to cover, and after that here we have some rules and regulation to write a class and variables. Okay, so if you write some classes or some variables, we have to follow some rules, like the class name will not start with any numbers, or class name will not start with the special characters or special symbols. So this is the things we need to put in your minds, and then after you can create a class, so we can learn about it, okay, in the class section, and we can do each and everything. in the next video we can try to install the software and then we can start coding, so that our mind will opens and we can try to understand each and everything, so that is good for us. Okay, thank you so much for in this video. And इस code को please try your on to execute. Okay, try to install the JDK software, try to set the path, and also try. Okay, so I am going to give you some assignment. You are on. Okay, so what you have to do is go to the Google's or YouTube and you can search like how to install the JDK software. So your first assignment is how to install JDK 17 in JDK 17. So you have to install the JDK 17 in your system. Second assignment I will give you, try to compile and run hello world program. Hello, HELLO world program. Okay, try to compile and run. Okay, and also try to set JDK path in system environment. Okay, so this is the things you have to cover your own. Okay, if you are unable to cover it, definitely I will do it. Okay, don't worry about it. But if you try your own and try to execute this code, write in the notepad and store in some folder, save in some folder with this class name, and try to run it while installing this software. So first you have to do these three things, then only you can able to run this code. Okay, thank you so much.